Hello everyone. I wanted to shoot a quick follow-up video to the video I put out asking if the tenant destroyed my apartment. Admittedly, when I was shooting that, I was pretty depressed because I know the apartment was very nice when the tenant moves in, and it just frustrates you that they don't take better care of it. But at the end of the day, there really wasn't that much damage. It was pretty much paint and carpet, which, like I said before, you would expect after 5 or 6 years. You just wouldn't expect the carpet to be that bad or the walls to be that bad. But anyhow, I've got about $1,000 in this, 800 of which was the carpet, and about 2 days of my time to get it ready. I painted it all agreeable gray, satin, put in new light fixtures. These are from Lowe's. They're like $22 for a 2-pack. Had to do a lot of patching on the walls. No major holes, just hundreds of little small holes. The tenant's already moving in. These are stuff. I didn't do much here in the kitchen other than paint. And I did put up a new vertical blind. Replace that. Bedrooms, just patch, paint, carpet, light fixtures. Replace the missing smoke detectors. I'll leave the stickers for the next tenant. This bathroom, if I'd have had time, I would have probably put new flooring in here and put a new vanity in, but with a tenant moving in, I didn't have time. Replaced the toilet seat, was wrong. And on the shower, the patch is good, it's watertight. Unfortunately, Lowe's only had bone, and I thought bone actually, this tub's kind of discolored. I thought bone actually may blend in better, but no, it sticks out like a sore thumb. But anyhow, it's watertight, it'll work. Back here, same thing. Just carpet, new light fixture. All right, so that's it. You know, this is just part of the business. You know, tenants are going to do this kind of stuff, and you just have to get proficient and getting in here, getting them turned cheaply, and getting them rented back out. And while it is depressing, it really was not that bad. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.